Today I'm going to walk you through how to download projects from Fluke's Linkware Live to Brothers iLink&Label for Android, including some of the new features. And then I'm going to transfer the project files to the Brothers PTE550W and print labels from that data. Also notable, iLink&Label now supports 23 additional languages, including Spanish and French. First, you'll download the iLink&Label app and then sign in for the first time using your Linkware Live username and password. Access your projects within the app. Linkware Live now supports sub-projects, so you can only see and download projects assigned to your account. The new iLink&Label app now aligns with this function, allowing subcontractors to only access the projects assigned to them. Another new feature is the search feature for those with multiple databases or multiple projects they're working with in the cloud. Instead of scrolling to find your file, you can select the search button at the bottom, type in the criteria you're searching for, and filter through only those project files. You can also choose whether to view in ascending or descending order. So now you want to connect your printer to your mobile device. Simply go to your settings, connections, and in your Wi-Fi, select Direct Brother. Enter your password and hit connect. To send the file directly to the E550W, simply go back into iLink&Label, select the file, and hit send. Once the file is in the PTE550W, simply select the database key, scroll through using the up and down arrows until you find the file that you're looking for, select OK. Within the database, you can scroll back and forth or up and down using the directional arrows. Simply hit OK and scroll down, up, left, or right. Hit OK again to create your labels, then just hit print.